Hi, I am Purva and welcome to my channel Purva Chordia Fitness. In this video, I am going to show you how some simple workouts, when done differently, can make a lot of difference. It can add a lot of intensity. So here I am showing you some cardio workouts. We will start with squats. To add the challenge, we are adding a low intensity jump in this. While jumping, bring your legs closer, and while squatting, take a wider stance. The trick is, while you are in the air, widen your legs so that it becomes easier for you to squat down and there is no break while squatting. Come on, last few. We are going to do 15 repetitions of this and take a 10 seconds of break. Remember, only 10 seconds of break, not more. After the 10 seconds of rest is done, we will be doing burpees and push-ups. So we will be doing 5 burpees, jump up high and then plank position, high and then take a plank position. Make sure you do not touch your knees to the ground. And after that, push-ups. So we will be doing 10 push-ups. If you cannot do push-ups like this, you can also rest your knees on the ground and then do push-up. After this also you will take 10 seconds of rest. So now we will be doing jumping jacks and shuffles. Both the workouts you have to do 20 seconds without any rest. So 20 seconds jumping jacks and 20 seconds of shuffles. After this, you will take 10 seconds of rest. Come on, push yourself and rest. Now we will be doing butt kicks and spot joggings. Remember, we will be doing this after 10 seconds of rest. So again, we will be doing butt kicks for 20 seconds. Come on, high. Touch your toes to your butt. Breathe. Now you will be feeling your heart pumping. Your heart rate is rising. And now spot jogging. 20 seconds. After 20 seconds of workout is done, you will be taking 3 minutes of rest, and then you will be repeating this whole circuit for 2 more times. This is very important. I am not going to show you all the 3 circuits, but make sure you do them. So guys, I hope you did enjoy this circuit routine of mine. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, you can let me know in the comment box which video you will like to see next from me. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Till then, stay fit and stay happy.